Hello? Hello?
Hello, Arush. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Sorry, I forgot the class.
Oh, it's fine.
I thought the class is at 12:30 because for only
No.
one day there is a class at 11:30.
Yeah.
So I was thinking that the class will be at 12:30. If you
Oh, okay.
wouldn't have messaged me, then
Yeah.
the class would have been gone.
Yeah, it's fine.
I was taking rest.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Yeah.
Okay, because in the whole week I have class only for one day at 11:30. Otherwise, the sir has kept my class at 12:30.
Yeah.
I was thinking the class is at 12:30.
Oh, okay.
Last time we were doing what probability na?
Yeah. We're doing the Venn diagrams.
Okay. We have written few items. Probability of A union B, etc.
Yeah.
Sets. We have done the sets last time.
Pardon?
Or after that we have done something.
No, I think we didn't.
This is what we have done in the last class, na?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just a second. I take out my book. I will just doing it. Just a second. I bring my book. You know the basic probability, na? Or I have to teach you from the very beginning?
No. I know the basics. Yeah.
You know the basic probability. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me one question then. What is the probability
Yeah.
of having 53rd Sunday in a leap year? In a non-leap year first. What is the probability of 53rd Sunday?
So a leap year happens every 4 years.
It is a non-leap year.
So that is then, so every fourth year is a leap year. So that means you got 3 years which are on leap year.
Okay.
So out of those three, probability of having a 53rd Sunday and then on leap year. So a non-leap year out of 3 years with a non-leap year. Is it 3 out of 4?
3 out of 4. No. I tell you the answer. In a leap year, in a non-leap year, there are 365 days. Am I right?
Yeah.
So 365 I will divide by 7. 7 5s are 35. 1 is left. 7 2s are 14. 1 is left.
Yeah.
52 are the complete weeks, right?
Yeah.
And 1 day is extra. 52 complete weeks are there.
Yeah.
1 day is left. Now, what this 1 day can be? That means every day has come for 52 days. That's fine.
Yeah.
1 extra day is one. This 1 day can be.
Yeah.
Can be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Sorry. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, right?
Yeah.
So we have 7 days in our favor total,
Yeah.
but out of which only one we require. Which one?
Yeah.
Sunday.
Sunday.
So probability of 53rd Sunday is equal to 1 by 7.
But then, yeah.
Okay. So the probability of 53rd Sunday is 1 by 7.
Mhm.
Got it. Now tell me what is the probability of 53rd Sunday in a leap year?
So in a leap
What
year, there
is
are 366 days.
okay? Now tell me.
Also, it'll be 2 out of 7.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
In a leap year. No, how 2 out of 7?
Because there is an extra day. So
Okay.
that day could be any day, but we are trying to find out if it's a
Okay.
Sunday.
Now the
So there's a
options
possibility.
are Sunday, Monday.
Yeah.
These 2 days can be Sunday, Monday,
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 Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Yeah.
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday. Thursday, Friday.
Friday, Friday, Saturday,
Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday,
Yeah.
Sunday,
Yeah.
Sunday, Monday again. Saturday, Sunday. Right, it is
Mhm.
Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday, right?
Mhm.
So 7 options are there.
Yeah.
In how many days we are getting Sunday? These 2.
2, yeah.
So the answer is 2 by 7. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Good question.
Yeah.
Okay. Suppose we are 2 persons sitting in a room
Yeah.
and there is a child playing near to us
Yeah.
and we are betting between us.
Yeah.
There are 2 bags in the another room
Mhm.
and one bag contains red and black, 5 red and 4 black balls.
Yeah.
And the second bag contains 7 red and 5 black.
Yeah.
Let us first take one bag only. Firstly, I'm telling you only one bag.
Yeah.
Now we are sitting in a room and we ask the child, okay, hello, beta, how are you? You need the ball? He said, yes. Then go to another room. There is a bag. Bring the ball. Go to the bag. Bring one ball. He goes there and we are betting between you and me.
Yeah.
Have a bet. He will bring red ball. I am saying,
Yeah.
have a bet. He will bring red ball. You are saying, have a bet. He will bring black ball.
Yeah.
In your opinion, what will be the probability from this bag?
4 out of 9.
For me, it is 5 by 9, right?
Yeah.
Now, if there is another bag, in this case, the bet is very simple. But in this case, the bet becomes some complicated. How complicated? What is the probability? What is the probability of getting a red ball
Mhm.
from one of the bags? Okay.
Yeah.
Now there are 2 bags, and I bet with you, have a bet. He will bring red ball.
Yeah.
He will bring red ball. Now the question is, from which bag he will bring the red ball? He may bring it from the first bag.
Yeah.
He may bring it from the second bag.
Yeah.
Now, how to do that probability that this may occur? So the probability, firstly, I'm writing that down in a simple way so that you can understand. Then I'll
Yeah.
write in a technical way. Okay. As I said you earlier, mathematics and statistics is nothing, just the way of writing and the symbols are to be used. Okay.
Yeah.
So probability of red ball. There are 2 possibilities. In
Yeah.
the last class, I told you Whenever you hear this will happen and that will happen, will multiply.
Yeah.
This will happen or that will
Or.
happen, or then we'll add,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay. Probability, first bag is selected
Yeah.
and a red ball is drawn.
Yeah.
Or, now I'm saying first bag is selected and red ball is drawn. Now
Yeah.
I'm saying or,
Mhm.
right? Or probability, second bag is selected and a red ball is drawn.
Yeah.
Now, there are two possibilities. Either the child may select the first bag or the second bag. Forget about the ball. Forget
Yeah.
about the ball. First, think about the bag. What is the probability
Yeah.
of selecting the first bag?
Half.
Half. Then what is the probability of red ball?
In the first bag, it's a 5 out of
5 by 9,
9.
right?
Yeah. Mhm.
Or, I'm saying ya to first, either the first bag or the second bag. So,
Yeah.
or the second bag is selected, again 1 by 2.
Yeah.
Then red ball is on 7 by 12.
7 by
So
12,
that
yeah.
is the total probability of the red ball,
Okay.
right?
Mhm.
It will be 5 by 18
Mhm.
plus 7 by 24. So we will take the LCM of this.
Yeah.
LCM will be 120. It can be 180.
Yeah.
No, it cannot be 180. Let us take the right example. 72 will be the LCM. LCM will be 72.
Mhm.
Then it will be 20 plus 21. That will be 41 by 72.
Isn't
No,
18 times 3 54?
no, 54 is not the LCM because there is a 24. 24 cannot divide 54.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
You know how I have taken this LCM? You know the shortcut way?
I don't know the shortcut.
Okay, let me tell you the shortcut way. No, this is the answer.
Yeah.
Okay, first I am going to tell you the way of taking the LCM.
Yeah.
Let us take the first example.
Yeah.
If there is a number 3 by 7 plus 5 by 9,
Mhm.
these two are different numbers which cannot divide any number to both of them.
Yeah.
Okay, then the simplest way is to multiply this with this, and we shall multiply both of these.
Yeah.
Okay, 9 threes are 27,
So
7 fives are 35,
35.
7 9 sevens are 63. So
Yeah.
the total will be 62 by 60. That's it.
Yeah.
If these two numbers are different, but
Mhm.
if the numbers become 3 by 14 and 5
Yeah.
by 18, let us say this. Now try to find out whether both of these numbers in the denominator can be divided by any number.
Yeah.
It is 2, right?
2. Mhm.
Then divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14 and 2 nines are 18, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Then the way of taking the LCM will be what it is. Now, if you want to take the LCM, what do you have to do? What I was saying here in the previous case, what I was saying,
Oh, yeah,
this, this and multiply. Now
Yeah.
you are going to do the same, but not with this number, with this number.
Okay. Yeah.
9 threes are 27, 7 fives are 35. Over.
Mhm.
Over what we have to take. We are not going to do multiply this. We will multiply this either with this or this with this, whatever you want.
Okay.
Both will be giving you the same number. You can do it.
Mhm.
14
Yeah.
nines are will be 126 and 18
126.
sevens is also 126. You can check.
Yeah.
Okay, that is the answer. 62 by 126. Got it?
Yeah.
So can you do some question? 3
Yeah.
by 18 plus 5 by 26 or 28. Let us do this. Now divide it. What to do? This is a number which can divide both the numbers.
2 again.
2 9s are and 2 14s are.
2, yeah.
Now see whether these numbers can be divided by any other number. No.
No.
Okay. Then just do it. 14 3s are 42.
Yeah.
9 5s are
9,
45
45.
over. Either you can multiply
No.
this or you can multiply this. Both will be giving you the same number. You can do it.
Yeah. So 28
Okay.
times 9 is 252.
Okay. Now you are listening me.
Yeah.
Voice is clear. Okay. Then 28 9s are will be 280, 280. That means 252.
Yeah.
So the answer will be 87 or 252.
Yeah.
Is it the simple way?
Yeah.
Now suppose you are doing a question and you get the answer like this. Suppose 3 by 18 and 5 by 27. You divide it by 3. 3 6 and 3 9. Later on you find you can again divide it.
Yeah.
You can again divide it by 3. 3 2s and 3 3s. No problem. You can divide it later. Then do the multiplication with the last number. 3 3s are 9. 5 2s are 10. Over. You can multiply this by any number. Whatever you want.
Yeah.
Now what is the number? Multiply these two numbers 12 or 27. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you can do it. Now you can do 18 3s or 27 2s as you want.
Yeah.
18 3s will be 54.
Yeah.
And that will be also 19 by 54 is the answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Remember any problem?
No.
Done.
Yeah.
Simple way.
Yeah.
You have never done it before earlier.
No.
Okay, fine. So this is the simplest way to take the LCM. Nobody will tell you like this. Okay, got it? Otherwise, in the calculator, you cannot even solve it.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, the next question. Now I'm going to tell you the answer of this question, the previous one. Let us do it again. Okay. What is the way to writing this question? Okay. Another way we are trying to use. Now let R denotes the red ball.
Yeah.
A denotes the first bag is selected.
Yeah.
B, second bag is selected.
Yeah.
You can do any other name. I have given it the name to be A and B.
Yeah.
So the way of writing will be probability of R. You can put it there and you can assume what is the probability of red ball, right?
Yeah.
Is equal to probability of A. A means first bag is selected, right? Into probability of R. But if I will write R, it means probability of red ball. But this red ball is drawn from the first bag only, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So I'll write it by R by A.
Okay.
As I told you in the previous class, R by A does not mean R divided by A. It is not dividing. It is a simple meaning. It is a probability of red ball.
Yeah.
A just means the first bag is selected.
Yeah.
So it means we are finding out the probability of red ball, which is being drawn from the first bag.
Okay.
Okay. Then or as I was saying, either the first bag will be selected or second bag will be selected.
Yeah.
So it will be probability of B into probability of R by B. What does it mean?
Okay.
Red ball will be selected, second bag will be selected, and red ball will be drawn from the second bag. and the answer is the same.
Yeah.
Got the answer to do the question?
Yeah.
But in this case, we are not going to write down this all terms.
Okay.
This is a layman language.
Yeah.
And this is a technical language and you are not saying anything.
Mhm.
Got it?
Yeah.
Arush, any problem?
No. Understand.
Are you able to understand this language?
Yeah.
Which I am writing right now?
Yeah.
This box language.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to give you a question. Okay. Firstly, I would like to copy this question.
Okay.
Please copy this question first so that you
Yes.
may understand the question. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
I'm telling you the question in one of the simplest language.
Yeah.
And still, if you feel any problem is there, you can ask the problem again and again
Yeah.
because it is maths.
Sure. Yeah.
So the problem can be there. You know, when I teach any subject to any student,
Yeah.
I never teach in a direct way the questions.
Mm.
I always teach from the last,
Yeah.
not from the last question of the chapter, last question of the exercise. I teach from the
Okay.
last of the chapter.
Oh.
I start all this chapter from the opposite manner, from the last
Mm.
to the beginning. Every subject.
Okay.
You may have seen that
Uh-huh.
I was teaching you yesterday.
Yeah.
I was not teaching you from the beginning.
Oh.
I was teaching you from the last.
Oh. Okay.
I never teach any subject to any student from the beginning. I always
Uh.
teach from the last
Mm-hmm.
because I know if you
Oh.
can understand the last things, that means it will
Yeah.
be able to you will be able to understand the beginning things.
Yeah. True. Uh-huh. Yeah. I'm done.
Done?
Yeah.
Okay. The next question is, a bag A contains 5 red and 7 green balls,
Yeah.
and bag B contains 9 red and 6 green balls. One of the bag is selected at random and a ball is drawn. What is the probability that it is a green ball? Do this question, Arush, and give me the answer. Write it in the shortcut way. That means you are not going to do it directly. You are going to write the terminology of the probability, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Do it.
So I got the probability of green equals the probability of A times the probability of green over A. So green from the first bag.
Probability of green is equal to probability of green A
Probability A
into
times the
probability of G
probability
by
of green A plus probability of B times
right?
probability of green by
Green
B.
by B, right?
Yeah.
So probability of green is 1 by 2. The first bag is 1 by 2,
Yeah.
and green will be 7 by
Times
12.
yes, 7 by 12
1 by 2 into 6 by 50,
plus
right?
yeah.
So 7 by 24 plus
Yeah.
6 by 30. Now you're going to take the LCM. 6
Yes,
fours
so,
are and 6 fives are, right?
yeah.
So 7 fives are 35. 6 fours are 24
24.
over 120. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah. 59 over 20.
Have you done by this method? What I have told you?
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I
This
did.
was the simplest one, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Now I'm going to a little bit bigger question.
Yeah.
Just a second. There are 3 bags. Bag A, bag B, and bag C. Okay.
Yeah.
This contains red and white, red and white, red and white. This bag contains 7 red, 5 white, 6 red, 6 white, and this contains 8 red and 4 white, right?
Yeah.
Okay. One of the bag is selected. And a red ball is drawn, and a ball is drawn.
Yeah.
What is the probability of red ball? Right?
Okay. Yeah.
Do this question.
Okay.
Can you do it now?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
On C is that 8? The head
Yes,
balls.
yes. It is 8
Yes.
and 4.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So I got the probability of a head ball
Yes.
equals the probability of A times the
Okay.
probability of R over A
Okay.
plus probability of B plus probability of R over B.
Plus me, multiply.
Oh yeah. Multiply plus the probability of C multiply the probability of R over C, and that will give you probability of R equals a third times 7 over 12.
1 by 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Third.
Plus
7 by
a
12.
third times a half. Plus a third times 2 over 3.
8 by 12. Right.
So
7 by
and then
36,
7
1 by 6
plus
plus 8 by 36. So the LCM will be 36.
Yeah.
7 plus 6 plus 8.
That is
21 by 36. And you can
Yeah.
divide it by 3.
Yeah, which is
7 by 12 is the answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it? Any
Yeah.
doubt?
No.
Okay. Let us see another question. Now I'm giving you a question in an opposite manner. Okay, first we shall be doing just few simple questions first. Then we'll be doing moving to that. Okay.
Okay.
Give me the answer. Just understand one thing. As I told you in the previous class,
Yeah.
probability of A into probability of B is equal to probability of A intersection B. That's what I told you.
Yeah.
Also, I told you probability of A by B into probability of B is also equal to probability of A intersection B.
Yeah.
So, can I conclude from these 2 points that probability of A by B is equal to probability of A intersection B over probability of B? From this point, can I do it?
Could you say that again?
Right? Pardon?
Could you say it again?
Yes, why not? This is probability of A into B is equal to probability of B is equal to probability of A intersection B. That's what I'm telling you.
Yeah.
So if I take it to the downside on the right hand side, then it will be go into the denominator side.
Yeah.
Okay. Then what will be the answer?
Probability of
The
A
answer is probability of
intersection B.
intersection B upon probability of B.
Probability of B. Yeah.
Right. Similarly, in this question, what I can do? Probability of B by A becomes probability of A intersection B over probability of A. Can I write down it?
Yeah.
So what you are watching, if ever I have to find out probability of A by B, then whatever the
Yeah.
number is written downside, that will be written in the denominator.
Yeah.
And probability of B by A will be probability of A upon probability of A intersection B upon probability of A. Right?
Yeah.
Suppose if I ask you to find out probability of E by F, you will say, sir, probability of E intersection F over probability of F.
Yeah.
If I ask you to calculate probability of F by E, then you will say probability of E intersection F over probability of E. Am I right?
Yeah.
So I can do this in this manner also directly.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is the formula, or you can say the answer, but I have told you earlier. But from this, we conclude this. Okay. So that's why it is looking to be different. Fine. So
yeah.
Let us do few questions, small questions. You can do it very easily and in a fast manner. Number one.
Yeah.
If probability of A is equal to 1 by 2,
Yeah.
probability of B is equal to 0, then what is probability of A by B? What is probability of A by B?
So so 1 by 2 intersections A intersection B over probability of B.
Probability of A intersection B over probability of B.
Probability of B. So that
What
would
will be
be
probability of A intersection B?
Was 0.
Because probability of A is 0, so probability of B will be also 0. And A intersection B will be 0, probability of B will be 0 by 0.
Yeah.
Okay, it is 0 by 0. That's it. Now the next question is question number 2. If A and B are two events, if A and B are two events, such that probability of A by B is equal to probability of B by A.
Yeah.
Then what you can conclude? What you can conclude? Tell me.
And A intersection B over probability of B equals probability of B intersection A over probability of A.
Shabash, very good. Probability of A intersection B over probability of B is equal to probability of A intersection B over probability of A. Both of these terms in the numerator will be cancelled out.
Yeah.
So probability of A becomes is equal to probability of B. Right?
Yeah.
But that is the answer.
Oh, yeah.
Both the probabilities are equal. That's it.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Simple question. Then come to question number 3. If A and B are two events such that probability of A is equal to 0.5, probability of B is equal to 0.6, probability of A union B is equal to 0.8. Find number 1, probability of A by B, number 2, probability of B by A, and also find probability of A naught intersection B, number 3, number 4, probability of A naught union B naught. That's what we have to find out.
Yeah.
We have to find out 4 things. Okay.
Mm.
Now, how to start the question, Arush?
So for part 1, find out probability of A over B. Would that be probability of A intersection B over probability of B? So that is 0.5 times.
How 0.5?
Oh, because no. I'm just saying the probability of A is 0.5. So you do 0.5 times 0.6 over 0.6.
No. First, you have to calculate probability of A intersection B, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we don't have given probability of A intersection B. We have given probability of A union B, right?
Okay, yeah.
Do you remember the formula?
Probability of A intersection B was
Probability of A union B is equal to probability of A
probability of
union B
A.
is equal to
Oh yeah, probability of A
A.
plus probability of B. Take away probability of A intersection B.
Yes. So A union B is 0.8, A is 0.5, B is 0.6, and probability of A intersection B is not known to us.
Yeah.
So probability of A intersection B will be 0.3.
0.3, yeah.
0.3. Now you know everything. Now
Yeah.
first part, probability of A by B is equal to probability of A intersection B. Just a minute. Over probability of B, number 2, probability of B by A is equal to probability of A intersection B over probability of A. You know the values.
Yeah.
Now what about this probability of A not intersection B? What was the formula that I told you?
For A not intersection B, that would be probability of B take a probability of A intersection B.
Very good, very good. Similarly, fourth question. It is a different question.
So
It was
A
1
not
minus
B
opposite of everything.
1
A
minus,
intersection.
yeah, into A union intersection B. Yeah.
Okay, now you can put the values over there and you can find the answer, right? So
Yeah.
please copy down all these questions, whatever I've done.
Yeah.
Then we shall proceed further, right?
Okay.
Just copy it down.
Yeah.
If we are moving further and you have any problem in your mind for the previous question also, you can stop it in between and you can ask the previous question also.
Okay. Yes, I could just go count.
And you have to solve all these 4
Yeah.
questions.
Yeah. Yeah. But
Done. Now do one more question.
yeah.
Next question is probability of A is equal to 0.8.
Yeah.
0.8. Probability of B is 0.5
Mhm.
and probability of B by A is 0.4. And you have to calculate all the four things again.
Yeah.
But now instead of probability of A by B, you have to calculate probability of A union B.
Mhm.
Do it.
Okay. So I have to find the probability of A union P.
Huh?
Do I
First,
have
you
to
have to
find the probability of A union B?
first you put the formula in this. Probability of A
Yeah.
intersection B upon probability of A. Then
Yeah.
you'll be able to find out probability of A intersection B,
Yeah, and then I found out the probability of A union.
0.32. Now you can use the formula for probability of A union B.
Yeah.
What is it?
Huh?
What is the value?
The probability of A union B, that is probability of A plus probability of B, take away probability of A intersection B.
Okay.
So that's 0.32 plus 0.8 plus 0.5, take away probability of A intersection B. Uh, That's 0.98.
Probability of A union B.
Yeah.
Probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B.
Yeah. The probability of A is 0.8 plus 0.5, which is 0.13, and take away is 0.32. So that would be 0.98.
It will be probability of A 0.8 plus probability of B 0.5 minus 0.32.
Yeah.
That will be 1.3 minus 0.32 is equal to 0.98.
Yeah.
Calculate the remaining these two parts.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so the probability of A naught intersection B is 0.18, and probability of A naught union B naught is 0.668.
So you can do it. You have
Yeah.
done it. Now I'm giving you a new question. Probability of A union B is equal to find out. Probability of A is equal to 2 times of probability of A is equal to probability of B is equal to 5 by 30 and
Mhm.
probability of A by B is 2 by 5 to it. Do you understand the meaning of this question?
Yeah, so probability of B is 5 over 13, and probability of A would be 5 over 13 divided by 2.
Probability of A will be 5 by 26.
Yeah,
Probability of B is 5 by 13 and probability of A by B is
2.
2 by 5. Now you can solve the question.
Mhm. Yeah.
What about probability of A by B is probability of A intersection
A
B
intersection B, or probability of B. Yeah,
and probability of A by B is 2 by 5. Probability of A
Yeah.
intersection B we are not known
uh,
and probability of B is 5 by 30.
yeah,
So I can simplify it. It's
Yeah.
equal to probability of A intersection B. It will be 2 by 13. Probability of A intersection B. Now what about probability of A union B?
yeah. Probability of
Probability of
A plus probability of B plus probability of A intersection B.
What is probability of A? 5 by 26.
5 by 26, 5 by 13,
Probability of B is 5 by 30.
plus
Sorry.
2 by 13.
No, minus.
Yeah, take away.
Take away then. It is 2 by 13.
2 by 13. Yeah.
So the LCM will be 26.
13, yes. 13 over
Then it
26.
will be 5 plus 10
Yeah.
minus
13.
4 minus 4. It is 2 now.
Oh, yeah.
So it is 11 by 26.
Yeah.
Is that clear, Arush?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, you can do it. And then
Yeah.
do this question. Okay, the next question will be a little bit different.
Yeah.
Arush, on Thursday, whenever the classes are free, please
Yeah.
send me a message just 5 to 10 minutes before
Yeah, sure.
so that I may remember. Otherwise, I would have
Yeah.
remembered, but today I forgot the class.
No, that's fine.
Otherwise, I would have joined at 12:30.
What question is it?
Should I give you the next question?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now the probability of A is equal to 7/13. It is a good one. Probability of B is 9/13. And probability of A intersection B, everything is given to you. 4/30. Find probability of A bar oblique B, probability of B bar oblique A. First, second, third one. Probability of A by B. Simple. Now what you are going to do in this question? In the first part,
Yeah.
probability of A bar oblique B, right?
Yeah.
So it will be probability of A bar intersection B upon probability of B.
Yeah.
Now you know the value of A bar intersection B.
Yeah.
But it is probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, remember?
Yeah.
Now you're just going to put the values. It is 9/13. Take
Yeah.
away 4/13
Yeah.
upon 9/13.
Yeah.
It will be 5/9, right?
Yeah.
And you could do the remaining two questions, right?
Yeah.
Then can you do one more question? Probability of A bar oblique B bar.
Now, what's the probability of A? I'm not sure.
All right. Second part,
Oh, yeah.
it will be probability of B bar oblique A.
Yeah, so that would be probability, untakeaway probability of out A union B over probability of A.
Probability B bar of A is equal to probability of B bar intersection A over probability of A.
Yeah,
And
so that
that
is
we need to
untakeaway probability of and out A intersection B.
probability of A take away probability of A intersection B
Yeah,
over probability of A. That is the
yeah,
simplest answer, right?
yeah,
Got it?
yeah,
Fine. That's it. Then put the
yeah,
values. And the
yeah.
remaining question, what about probability of A bar by B bar? It is
Uh,
probability of A bar intersection B bar
B,
over
yeah,
probability of B bar.
B bar,
It is 1 minus probability of A union B
and B, yeah,
over 1 minus
probability,
probability of B.
yeah,
That's it.
yeah,
Got the answer?
yeah,
That is your final answer.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, fine. Done.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, then in the next class, we shall be doing the remaining questions.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Bye.